Hey, it's Robert Vermeer from Vermeer Investment, and you're probably wondering what happens when I call a real estate investor. Are they going to make me a lowball offer? Are they going to steal my property? Is everything above board? What we do is we buy properties that need a little bit of fixing up, that need a little bit of tender loving care. So instead of you going out and spending months repairing it, hiring contractors, then finally putting it on the market, dealing with realtors, paying commissions, and all of that in order to sell property, you might consider, you know what? Let me talk to Robert Vermeer, see what he would offer. If it's a reasonable amount, I'll sell it to him. He'll buy it as is, he'll repair it at that point, then, and I'm done with it. Now, it may not be for everyone, and it may not be for you, but all it takes is a phone conversation. Just simply you and me getting on the phone. I'll talk to you about the property. You'll give me a little bit of details about it, about the condition. I'll make you an offer on the property, and then you can decide from there. If it makes sense, great. If it doesn't, that's okay too. There's never any pressure. I'm not a pressure guy. That's not the way I like to be dealt with, and so I don't deal with anyone like that. So I'd love to chat with you about the property. Now we got to go and fix one up and get it ready so that way a nice family can go ahead and move in. Looking forward to chatting with you.